Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coveted Marina Australia. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel guys, subscribe na and then hit the notification bell para na-updated kayo sa aking susunod na mga videos. So ito guys, nakikita ninyo ay ang Birkenhead Point Marina. Sa kanilang website, nakalagay na ang Birkenhead Point Marina has been awarded the highest possible accreditation under the Global Gold Anchor Scheme with 5 Gold Anchor Platinum status. This is the first marina in Sydney Harbour to achieve this status, with only 7 marinas across the world now holding the coveted title. It recognizes the marina's abundance of luxury and rivaled location on Sydney Harbour and its world-class members facilities. So sa dami-daming marinas guys sa buong mundo, 7 lang ang may hawak ng platinum status. So imagine nyo na isa itong Birkenhead Point Marina. Now, in order to receive a platinum status, a marina must score 95% across the assessment that includes direct feedback from a sample of berth holders. This is the first marina within Sydney to hold this coveted status and only the 7th in the world. So, I don't know guys kung ano ang scoring nila, pero dapat daw 95% ang score. So, may assessment pa bago ma-receive ang coveted title na ito, which is the platinum status. The platinum status also comes with a significant responsibility as a leading global marina to ensure that a high level of performance is maintained and there is an ongoing commitment to continual improvement. So, kailangan din pala na ikaw ay mayroon silang responsibility na laging high ang level of performance and then tuloy-tuloy ang improvement. The Birkenhead Point Marina will provide a regional and global benchmark that other marinas will seek to emulate. So ayun guys, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang aking bagong video and mission accomplished. Mega love shout out sa aking mga Coco Babes sa Hong Kong, sa Singapore, and sa Philippines. Sa aking mga kaibigan, kapitbahay, mga acquaintances, mega love shout sa inyong lahat. And kita-kita tayo ulit sa aking susunod na video. Abangan!